You laugh like such a little bitch, dude. What are you doing?
You little fucking bitch! Get up, you're gonna throw up on the fucking floor.
Dude, it looks like s'mores goo. It's gonna be all sticky and nasty. You're just gonna shit up.
Get up, come on. Here, hand. You alright?
Oh, bro, dude. That's way too much.
Filming the movie.
I mean, what do you say? Look at that, he's making these kind of noises. And he's still doing it.
I haven't even had a s'more. This is hilarious.
Oh my god. What are you doing, bitch? Get out of it.
Yeah. Shake your foot at him. It totally did. Oh shit, I'll stop filming on it. He's shaking his foot at me.
Shut up. Shut up.
This is my freaking case study.
What are you saying?
Oh my god. What are you doing?
He's coughing. This is fucking ridiculous. The entire time this is going on, I'm laughing my fucking head off.